guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be filming an apartment tour for you guys, to give you guys a little inside scoop into our apartment and show you guys around. So we're going to go ahead and start with the front door. This is our front door.
Everybody welcome.
This is our Easter wreath that we have going on right now. So when you go through the front door, you instantly see this little cute table.
And you instantly must use this.
Instantly.
Why?
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
So when you walk in, you see this little cute console table that I put together from Amazon. I purchased the console table from Amazon. And then this cute little black circle mirror I purchased at Hobby Lobby for like 50% off. And we have our picture frame with our cute picture from New York. And then all of these cute little knickknacks that I have on the console table, I purchased either from Home Goods. This one's from Hobby Lobby, Ross, Home Goods. That candle is from Home Goods. The home sign is from Hobby Lobby along with the calendar under it. That's from Hobby Lobby. That black vase I purchased from Home Goods. And then I found these cute little coffee table books from Amazon. The Chanel and the other one from Amazon. And then we have a cute little candle burning from Target. And then my little orchid plant is from Trader Joe's.
By the way, guys, this was our first date.
So moving forward, we have our living room over here. This is my cute little basket full of blankets. And then I have some Easter decorations going on. This I put together, I bought separate from Home Goods. This is from the dollar store. And then over this way I have my cute little bunnies from Home Goods. And then this I purchased from Home Goods. Everything's from Home Goods, literally. This is from Home Goods. And then my little countdown with my bunnies are from Home Goods. And then moving this way, we have the couch. This gray sectional that we purchased from Big Lots. And then I just have it decorated with a bunch of furry pillows with our furry white rug that we purchased at Costco. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Super cozy and clean. Super cute. And then moving this way, this is like a random closet with a bunch of random stuff, like cleaning stuff that I keep in here. And then this way is our kitchen table. Super cute. All this stuff is from Ross. The coasters I purchased at Ross, Marshall's. Gotta keep the hand sanitizer on deck. And then this way is our washer and dryer. Super cute. You know the vibes. All white. This kitchen table I purchased at Big Lots. And then this way is our kitchen. So this is our kitchen where I spend most of my time. We have our Keurig, which Robert uses literally every morning. These cute little salt and pepper shakers and my utensil jar, canister, whatever, from Target. We have some salt and olive oil cooking stuff there. The microwave, stove, refrigerator. And then up here we have cereal, air fryer, and a bunch of random stuff. And then moving this way is our cute black knives that I purchased on Amazon for like 40 bucks. They're super cute, super aesthetic. And then I have my cookie jar full of fresh Oreos. And then our Google Home that we never use. And then one of my favorite parts of the kitchen is the sink. This sink is bomb.com. I love the deep sink, what is it? It's a deep sink. And then this little thing I purchased on Amazon. It's like a drying rack, so you don't have to take a lot of counter space up. You just put it on top of the sink and put your dishes. And then we have a fruit basket, which doesn't have a lot of fresh fruit in it, but you know, can't be leaving the house because coronavirus. So yeah, that's our kitchen and then our dining table. So moving forward, we're gonna go ahead and take you to the hallway. So this is a hallway, and then this is our cute little Nest thermometer thingy. And then going this way, we have the bathroom. So this is our bathroom. And then we have these cute little shelves that I put together myself once again because I put everything together myself, and I bought everything on Amazon.
I hung them up, guys.
The shelves are from Amazon.
I hung them up, guys.
These jars are from Amazon.
I hung
And
them
if
up.
you're wondering why there's a loud sound, it's the fan. But this is all from Amazon, and a little bit of stuff is from Home Goods. Yeah, this is it. This is the bathroom. And then in here I keep like lotions and hair stuff and body stuff. And then down here is towels and toilet paper, but we're not gonna go into depth on that. So across from the bathroom, we have
The princess of the family's room. Hers isn't too, exciting right now. We still got a lot to go. She got her bed, her princess blankets, workstation, We might have an artist in the family. We don't know yet. She gets too loose out with the paintbrushes. She got everything, She does her glam. Her and Alyssa. They're gonna start a makeup channel one day, They might do that next episode. Let us know if you guys want that.
Yeah.
So this is our room. This is, where I be at all day. Laying in bed all day. Alyssa got her, her little setup right there. I got my setup.
So we both each have our own little sides. This is my side. I just have my perfumes and a bunch of random stuff. And then on Robert's side.
Alright guys, so this is the exciting side, if you guys want little ideas, I keep my cologne, keep it simple. Got my jersey, Nipsey Hussle's funeral, got his obituary, I keep my little Raider things, our picture from New York, first time out, California. Favorite part of the house, my sanctuary, the closet. I gotta keep everything really clean and organized, I don't play. I got my nice pea coats, my jackets, sweaters, jean jackets, turtlenecks, dress shirts, jerseys. I got it all, I keep it clean. Boots, loafers, anything I need, tennis shoes. If I'm going somewhere quick, gotta throw it on. I gotta keep them clean though. I got my shorts, this is very good right here for the dudes that are watching this. You need to get one of these for your pants. So you
Got that on Amazon, by the way.
I love it. And anyone watching, just make sure you got more than 2 pairs of black pants. You always got to keep the black pants. You know what I'm saying? Simple. And Alyssa's gonna show you her
my side is way better.
whatever
so.
side that she keeps.
So my side is pretty
Boring. Yeah.
pretty
Go ahead.
more organized and cuter than Robert's side. So I have all my purses up here, and then all of my heels that I wear the most right here. And then down here, we both have shoe racks. I purchased both of these from Amazon. They're really useful. We love them. So those are his shoes, and then these are all my shoes that I wear most often. And then I have...
Take notes, guys. Those are the best shoes. These are alright. Those are alright.
And then I have all my clothes. These are mainly like all my jackets and my sweaters. But yeah, my side's way better.
Pretty roomy in there,
Yeah, I love this closet.
I'd say.
So everything we purchased in here is from Amazon, pretty much. I love Amazon. So yeah, my side's better. Comment down below and let us know whose side's better, because my side's way better.
Her side is weak.
Don't fall, dude. Don't fall. Alright guys, so that's it for today's apartment tour. We hope you guys enjoyed our video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe down below. Give us some video requests or video ideas, because we're going to be filming a lot more videos now that we're stuck at home.
Quarantine day.
1,000. So give us suggestions down below, and we'll be sure to film that for you guys. And yeah, until next time. Bye guys.